Let me ask you a question. Have you ever stopped to think about what happens after someone finishes reading your book? Not while they're buying it, not while they're reading it, but the exact moment they reach the final page. Because something happens right there. Most authors never think about. They close your book and they're gone. Back to Amazon, gone to buy someone else's book, gone forever. You spend weeks, maybe months, maybe even years writing that book. Amazon collects the payment, Amazon collects the customer, Amazon collects their email address, Amazon built their relationship, and you got one single royalty. That's it. Now here's the crazy part. Most authors think the biggest problem is getting more book sales. It's not. The real problem is losing every reader they already earned. Because every time someone finishes your book, you're back at zero. When your next book comes out, you have nobody to tell, nobody waiting, nobody excited, nobody ready to buy. So every launch starts exactly the same way. Silence. You refresh your KDP dashboard. Hope, wait, refresh again. Maybe Amazon notices, maybe not. And if it doesn't, your book disappears into millions of other titles. Not because it's bad, because nobody knew it existed. Now imagine something different. Imagine every single book that you publish quietly builds your audience. Imagine every reader becoming someone that you can reach out to again. Imagine launching your book to hundreds, then thousands of readers who already know your name. That's exactly why we built AI Reader Rocket. Reader Rocket doesn't help you sell your first book. It helps every book that you sell the next one. Think about that for a second. Instead of every sale being the end of the relationship, it becomes the beginning. Every reader becomes an asset. Every book becomes part of a growing publishing business, not just another product sitting on Amazon. The authors making consistent money on Amazon aren't always the best writers. They simply own their audience. When they release a new book, they don't cross their fingers. They send an email. Hundreds of readers buy immediately. Reviews arrive. Amazon notices. Then Amazon starts recommending the book to thousands more readers. It becomes a snowball. Meanwhile, most readers launch into complete silence. The difference isn't talent, it's ownership. One group owns readers, the other rents from Amazon. So let me show you exactly how this works. Inside the AI Reader Rocket, you simply enter your book details and AI instantly creates a beautiful reader page specifically for your book. And next, it creates your unique reader access link. This is just like magic. You simply place that link inside of your book, paperback, hardcover, whatever it is, or bonus chapter. That's it. Now, every reader who finishes your book has somewhere to go. Instead of disappearing back into Amazon, when they click, they arrive on your reader page. They claim your bonus, join your email list, and become a reader that you own. Not Amazon, but yours forever. Now, watch what happens over time. Book one, you collect 100 readers. Book two launches. Instead of launching to zero, 100 readers are already waiting. Some buy immediately. Amazon sees activity, your rankings start to improve. Now book two collects 250 readers. Next book launches, you aren't starting with 100, you're starting with 350, then 700, then 1,500, then 5,000, etc. Every book makes the next one easier. Every book launch gets stronger. Every reader compounds. Eventually, you stop relying on Amazon to find the reader. Your readers find you. And the best part? You don't need to build landing pages. You don't need coding. You don't need complicated integrations. You don't need expensive software. AI Reader Rocket does all of this for you. The AI builds the page. It creates your reader access link. It connects with your email platforms, shows exactly where to place everything inside of your book. Most people are live within less than 10 minutes. This isn't really software. It's a publishing asset because books come and go. Algorithms change. Amazon changes. Advertising costs rise, but your reader list, no one can take that away. Every subscriber belongs to you. Every future launch becomes easier. Every new book grows the business. Today, you'll receive complete access to AI Reader Rocket, the AI Reader Page Builder, reader access links included with your plan. Email marketing platform integrations, the reader reward library, the AI CTA rewriter, placement guides, step-by-step training, and the fast action bonus available during this launch right underneath this video. Everything you need to turn every book you publish into a growing audience you actually own. Think about every reader who's already passed through your books. Some loved them, some wanted another book. Some probably would have happily joined your email list if only they had been given the opportunity to do so. Those readers simply disappeared. Starting today, you don't have to. Every book you've already published can begin building your audience. Every future book that you launch to readers already waiting. Instead of publishing book after book and hoping Amazon sends you readers, start something Amazon can never take away from you. Click the button below, buy AI Reader Rocket today, and turn every book you publish into readers that you keep for life.